Hello, Excellence family. It's Danny Barnes, Director of Agent Relations. Just want to show you something that I noticed this morning. Might have been a quick update. So let's go to Xcellence Marketing real quick. And I'm going to log on to my account. So as you see, here are my designs. Something new I just noticed this morning, video tutorials. If you need help. So all you do is just click on this arrow right here. And there are a lot of different tutorials they've provided. Update your password, delete a folder. Just scroll through here if you need help with anything. Xcellence Marketing. Share a design with a teammate. Update your contact info. Email signatures. I've done one of those in the past. They're very simple. Here's how you can access the images. So just noticed that this morning, something that wasn't there before. So take a look at these. I haven't checked out all of them. And once again, if you need any help, let us know. Adding shapes, changing an image, it's very simple. So, in the background here, some of the ones that I've done in the past and shared with our family. So just wanted to update everybody on that, and hope everybody's having a great week. And as always, together moving forward. Take care.